Are you ready to learn how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing using AI without needing a website? No website, no technical skills, just pure potential to make up to $30,000. If you're a teen, college student, or someone in your 20s or 30s, this could be the side hustle you've been waiting for. Stick around because I'm about to show you how you can start making money today, and it's easier than you think. Let's dive in. First things first, let's break down what Amazon affiliate marketing is. Simply put, it's a way for you to earn money by promoting Amazon products. You get a unique link for each product, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Now, here's where things get exciting. What if I told you that AI can automate a lot of the work for you? Imagine having an AI tool that creates content, finds trending products, and even helps with audience engagement, all on autopilot. This is where AI takes your Amazon affiliate business to the next level. Step 1 of getting started is simple. Sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. All you need is an Amazon account, and you'll be able to get your affiliate links in minutes. No website required. You can promote these links through social media, videos, or even email, so there are plenty of ways to start earning. Next, let's talk about how to choose the right products to promote. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or even specialized affiliate marketing AI tools to find trending products with high demand. AI helps you research what's hot and what's not, so you can target products that will bring in the most traffic and sales. Now, let's talk about creating content. This is where AI really shines. You can use AI to help generate ideas for blog posts, YouTube videos, social media content, and even email campaigns, all without needing a website. For example, you can create Instagram carousels, TikTok videos, or YouTube shorts, and include your affiliate links in the captions or descriptions. The best part? AI tools like Canva or Copy.ai can help you design and write content effortlessly. One of the biggest challenges people face is how to drive traffic without a website. But with AI, this becomes a lot easier. Use platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts to promote your affiliate products. AI can help generate engaging captions, find trending hashtags, and even analyze audience behavior to help you optimize your content and reach more people. Once you start getting the hang of things, it's time to scale. AI can help automate your affiliate marketing business. From content scheduling to automatic responses to comments, AI can help you streamline the whole process. This means you can scale up without increasing your workload and ultimately increase your earnings. Lastly, you've got to keep track of your progress. AI tools can help you analyze your earnings, track which products are performing best, and adjust your strategy to get even better results. The key to earning $30,000 is consistency. With AI, you'll be able to optimize every step of your affiliate journey. Now, let's recap the formula. You've got AI tools doing the heavy lifting for you, finding trending products, creating content, driving traffic, and scaling your earnings, all without the need for a website. It's the easiest way to start affiliate marketing and earn big. If I can do it, you can do it too. The potential to make up to $30,000 is real, and it all starts now. Ready to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing using AI? Hit the subscribe button like this video and drop a comment below telling me what AI tool you're excited to try. Let's crush it together, and I'll see you in the next video.